Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to delete a post on X. If you want to delete a post on X, whether you made a typo, changed your mind, or just want to clean up your feed, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. First of all, launch open X application on your device. I'm gonna open up X app on my Android device over here. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once logged in, from the main home page, go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top left corner. From the expanded menu, click on Profile. Once you end up in your profile, scroll down and under Posts, you'll be able to see your post. If you want to delete a post, simply tap on the three dots at the top right of your post, and then in the pop-up at the bottom, click on Delete Post. Now click on Delete once again in order to confirm your deletion request. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete the post on your X account. The post will now be permanently removed from your profile and timeline. So that's how it's easily done. Remember that once deleted, the post cannot be restored, so make sure you really want to remove it. That's how you can easily remove or delete a post that you've previously made on X. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.